Hello and welcome to Wandering WandA. I'm Ariel. We are here at Outer Banks Campground, and every site here at this campground is a back-in site. There are no pull-throughs. It's one big circle and everyone's a back-in. So you either back into a lawn or you back in to water. So that is salt water. We're in essentially a big old sandbanks. Yeah, everything's sand. Where they've laid down this gravelly rock pavement thing, which is good. We got water in, water out. It is a nice park. It's a lovely day. It's about 78, 80 degrees. Bill the wagon master. We also have Bill the tail gunner. You've seen the back of his head at the Mississippi run. We have our tail gunner was the wagon master for our Mississippi run, and they are the tail gunners for the Grand East Coast. Would I stay at this park? Personally, no, I would not. However, since this is a caravan and there's always a spotter, he was able to back me into the site without any problem. I pulled into the site opposite mine and I slowly backed in. And with his help of saying left, right, we backed in very successfully. Look how close we are to the pedestal without hitting it. It is a nice ocean breeze. Okay, most of us is down that way. That's all of us down here. An osprey nest. Okay, if I didn't mention this before, one of the things other than the fact that it's a back end, one of the things I do like about this park is that there are no trees. I am so tired of being in parks where we are surrounded by trees and there is no satellite reception.